Okay na yan, balance si Batman.
You have
Kilay na.
this.
Yeah, it's so
nice?
good. I like it.
Hi, beautiful ladies. You want to say? Oh,
Hi.
You're so pretty naman.
I was trying to buy on your live the other day. Your first ever live.
I'll send you.
No, I wanted to support. Ay,
Grabe,
nakalagay.
you're naka-live.
Pink.
Yeah,
I wanted to
Look at your
support
nose.
and buy.
Look at your
Pero
nose.
it was sold out.
Oh,
It was sold out for that
big
wait, I'll
blush.
send you. So
No,
bagay
I wanna buy. I wanna
Pero may
support.
filter yung mukha ko.
Oh.
Oo nga, may filter. Paano ba tanggalin yung filter ng TikTok?
Ah, hindi. Meron na talaga ata.
Ah, talaga?
Tanong natin si Mr. TikTok.
Ayaw
Babae ba
nakita
siya?
yung totoong mukha natin, gano'n.
But beautiful ladies, I will
You're
leave
leaving
you.
na.
Yes.
Nice to see you.
Sorry, I was like,
So pretty.
You
Grabe
guys,
naman.
But congrats!
Thank you!
Congrats!
Nag-pink yung ano ko.
Yo, Ma'am, I send you. Ay.
Yeah, tsaka ito nag-pink.
O yung coach ko nagbo-boxing daw sa village mo, nakikita ka daw. Sabi niya, gusto niya sumaba boxing, running. Si Coach Bok, tumatakbo sila sa LG.
Sa village ko?
Oo. Kung gusto mo daw tumakbo.
Sa village ko.
Oo.
Si Coach Bok. Ah, taga doon siya.
Hindi, meron siyang client na taga doon.
Magkano isa?
Sige na yan, Ma'am. Sige.
Hindi, magkano isa? Pero nalit sila.
$349 only for 1 year na yan.
Ganyan mukha mo.
$349 only.
349 lang to.
Yeah, $349 for this look.
Ah, so amazing. I'm so proud of you, Mom.
Oh, thank you so much, Moms. Moms, alam ko sino yung gusto bumili ng bag.
Sino?
Si Ate Natalie, pinipilit niya ako kanina ipadala sa LA. Kasi pupunta si Kyle. Sabi ko, Ate Nat, kung sold out siya sa website, sige, tatanungin ko si
Meron
Kim.
sa Monday. As in...
Hindi, classic yung gusto niya, yung black na, yung binigay mo sa akin na yellow. Remember? Hi po!
Ate Bella for
Yes.
Yellow. Ah, gusto niya? Pwede ka
Gusto niya black. Pero same
meron.
yung yellow ko. Pwede ba? Isabay ko kay Kyle.
May trivia ka po ba for 24th?
What?
Trivia for 2014.
Oh, wow, wow, oh.
Bibigyan mo ako.
Sa...
Thank you.
Sige po. Ito lang po. Para may copy lang po. Pwedeng paiklihan siya ate, depende lang sa kung paano niya sasabihin.
Okay. Bakit may trivia? Bagong segment.
Sa box po, may hawak po kayong yung year, yung box na hawak niyo po may
Mag-picture
year.
lang ako.
Bawat
Oh,
year
sige.
po no, dapat may trivia kayo.
Ano
Mas
dapat?
better po dapat kung personal trivia nyo like.
Sa personal na buhay ko.
In-
Other one. Sa'yo na to.
Buy nyo na po.
Bago to.
Bella by Bella.
Pwede sa under foundation, pwedeng on top. Ako nalagay ko under.
Ako meron akong nilalagay talaga bago ng foundation.
Bago ng foundation. Para ano.
I think this is the new one that I'm gonna put now.
Aww, thank you
For
so
my
much.
face.
Maraming
First.
salamat.
As my entrepreneur friend, we're adulting.
We're
Right,
adulting.
ate? Sagot mo lang. Oo, wala lang.
Oo, ano lang.
Dito mo, kakain ako.
Okay lang.
Follow me.
Yeah, I follow.
You're pretty na. Come on.
Thank you so much.
Trivia for 2014.
Oh, wow, wow, oh.
Bibigyan mo ako.
Sa...
Thank you.
Sige po. Ito lang po. Para may copy lang po. Pwedeng paiklihan siya ate, depende lang sa kung paano niya sasabihin.
Okay. Bakit may trivia? Bagong segment.
Sa box po, may hawak po kayong yung year, yung box na hawak niyo po may
Mag-picture
year.
lang ako.
Bawat
Oh,
year
sige.
po no, dapat may trivia.